Data has been the killer product for some time now. And all the players in the industry have been using ever faster speeds, data allocations, pricing and customer experience to distinguish themselves from the competition. But no one has yet used data to marry and converge the voice communications services that have long been the bread and butter of telcos. While voice communication isn't as sexy as it once used to be, it is still the main tool that organizations, families, and individuals use to be in touch with one another. Voice is the untapped and key strength of telcos that can be used as a major differentiator and competitive edge. Telcos has the opportunity to introduce a world's first service that marries landline and mobile communications. That is simple, effective, robust, and easy to massively roll out. Introducing Wavephone, a Wi-Fi phone system. The Wavephone consists of 4 main items: the hub, the Wi-Fi handset, the mobile app, and the cloud service. So what makes Wavephone different from the current communication tools? Let's look at 3 different use cases: home, SMEs, and corporate. Let's start with home. In the usual landline setup, when someone calls you, there is a big tendency that you will miss the call if you're far from the telephone or when you're outside the home or office. But with the Wavephone, you can receive landline calls within your home using the Wi-Fi handset. Or through your mobile handset with the Wavephone app installed in it. Good morning. You may even take your mobile handset outside and still be able to receive landline calls using the application. This is the real convergence of voice between landline and mobile. You can receive landline calls anywhere, and we mean anywhere, through the device you always carry with you, especially when you're outside, your smartphone. This is the revolutionary integration of landline and mobile in one device. It does not only work on landline calls but on mobile calls as well. Here, Jane always orders food for her family using her smartphone when a landline phone is not available. She calls their favorite restaurant, but the mobile call charges per minute is very expensive every time she calls a landline number using her mobile phone. But it doesn't have to be that way with Wavephone. Using her smartphone installed with Wavephone mobile app, she can now make unlimited and free landline calls. She opens the Wavephone mobile app and dials the restaurant's landline number. The call will pass through her Wavephone at home. The restaurant receives the landline call as if she dialed the number from her landline phone at home. Using the Wavephone, subscribers can now answer landline calls within your home zone, such as the bedroom or kitchen. Or even when you're outside traveling. It is actually a two-way direction, thus, users can also make outgoing landline calls using the mobile app installed into the registered mobile phones. The second use case is for SMEs. Anne is an events planner, and she receives a lot of inquiries in her office through phone calls. But since she started using Wavephone and giving out her Wavephone landline number, now, there's no opportunity lost because she can receive landline call inquiries straight on her mobile phone. Or make outgoing landline calls to her suppliers while she's in an event or in a meeting outside. And the third use case is for corporate. In the setup of mobile workforce in several satellite offices, Wavephone is a helpful way to bridge the communication among employees and partner clients despite the distance. Using Wavephone, John, the sales manager, can efficiently coordinate with his colleagues on field, both here and abroad. They can have a call conference to make important decisions on critical issues. The Wavephone allows the Wi-Fi handset and 8 mobile phones to be added as powerful extensions of the Wavephone landline. And since you have multiple landline handsets, you can do an extension-to-extension call. Transfer calls between extensions. Or invite other extensions to make a conference call in a push of a button. This interconnects 3 phones simultaneously. The call conference can be a two-way direction. Instead of just incoming, you can also initiate an outbound conference call. This is the real convergence of landline and mobile phone. Convergence not in name, not in pricing, not in bundling, but in real service which no other telco has an answer for. Curious how the system works? When you connect the existing landline cable to the hub, the complete system becomes your landline phone, with the same landline number across all devices. And each component of the system has distinct functionalities. The hub is the brain of the whole system. It becomes your subscriber's personal PABX that controls all the communication features, such as intercom, call conference, call transfer, and others. The second component is the Wi-Fi handset that complements the Wavephone service. It provides high-definition voice calls that last up to 11.5 hours talk time. The third component is the mobile application. The Wavephone app is both available for download on App Store and Google Play Store. And the last component is the Wavephone cloud service. This allows the Wi-Fi handset and registered mobile phones to make and receive landline in any location. This solution is very easy to deploy and set up. Subscribers can install the system in just 3 simple steps. First, connect the power, the Ethernet cable, and existing landline cable to the hub. Second, turn on the Wi-Fi handset and connect to the wireless network. Finally, using a mobile phone, download the app from Play Store or App Store and scan the QR code. You're now all set to make and receive landline calls from any device anywhere you may be. And while this solution delights Wavephone subscribers, it also delivers numerous business and competitive advantages to telcos. The Wavephone provides 4 main advantages. First, it prevents customer churn. Second, it is a tool for customer acquisition. Third, it's a healthy source of revenue. And fourth, it strengthens telco's brand image. Let's go with the first advantage, preventing customer churn. Current subscribers who use landline services, such as businesses and families, would no longer switch or utilize competitor services. They will readily appreciate the value of having both their Wavephone landline and mobile in one converged device. It is a unique service that only Wavephone subscribers can enjoy. Leading us to the second main benefit, Wavephone is a great tool to acquire new customers. The ability and user benefits of Wavephone will attract other customers to shift to the full Wavephone ecosystem. For the third main advantage, it's a healthy revenue source. Telcos can easily market the solution since there are no obsolescence risks. Its selling power is not dependent on hardware specifications, like memory or LCD display, but on the unique communication experience it can bring to telco subscribers. This solution also acts as a driver for LTE data usage, as the functionality works over both 4G LTE and Wi-Fi. When a Wi-Fi connection is unavailable, the user will have to utilize 4G LTE service to make and receive landline calls on their mobile phone. Telcos can monetize the solution into additional revenue via different modes. Telcos can charge via one-time purchase, monthly service fees, or as an add-on once the advanced or worldwide access features are enabled. Not only telcos can monetize on the services, but they will have full control over the complete system. Telcos will host and manage the cloud service that handles account management, security, monitoring, troubleshooting, and all system processes. And for the fourth main benefit, strengthen the company's brand image. Wavephone fortifies telco's positioning as a true communications innovator. By being the first to offer to the subscribers a service that extends the landline to the mobile handset and vice versa. Providing several exciting features in its roadmap, such as video calling, video conferencing, and smart home gateway. And to ensure that you have the best and unique offering where no one can copy the solution. The technology and its design are patent protected, and it can be even OEM for partner telcos. Choose Wavephone, the Wi-Fi phone system.